I'm very grateful to Honorable Principal Ma'am for giving us an opportunity to interact with these brilliant brains. And am I audible to you? That's really beautiful. I'm also grateful to the founders, the chairman of the school, for giving us an opportunity to come over here and interact with you all people. I just want to know how many people are from various classes so that I can. Ninth, how many people are there from ninth onwards? Huh? 9 to 12, okay. So these people are 9th, right, okay. 10th? Oh, wow, that's really good, okay. 11th? 11th is not there? That's fine, okay. 12th? 12th standard, okay. So 12th is science, arts, humanities, both? Not art, commerce and science, because I want to know first, because so that accordingly I can give examples. Right, okay. That's really great. So, I have 30-40 minutes maximum. Now, it's almost 12:30. I'm going to wind up by 1 o'clock. I have